I will talk to the council. I'm sure
What if we fish beyond the reef?
No one goes beyond the reef.
I know, but if there are no fish in the lagoon,
Juana,
and there's a whole
we
ocean,
have one rule.
an old rule when there were fish.
A rule that keeps us safe instead of endangering our people. So you can run right back to the water. Every time I think you're past this. No one goes beyond the reef.
Well, it's not like you said it in front of your dad. Standing on a boat.
I didn't say go beyond the reef because I want to be on the ocean.
But you still do. He's hard on you
Because he doesn't get me.
because he was you. Drawn to the ocean, down by the shore. He took a canoe along. He crossed the reef and found an unforgiving sea. Waves like mountains. His best friend begged to be on that boat. Your dad couldn't save him. He's hoping he can save you. Sometimes, who we wish we were, what we wish we could do. It's just not meant to be.
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember. Never really knowing why. I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water. No matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, each trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. Be the light of the side to see